For both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, investing in high-quality power tools can make all the difference between a job well done. With so many options available today, it can be difficult. So here's a look at the must-have power tools that every toolkit can benefit from. All the mentioned tools links are listed in the description below. Number 20. Milwaukee Electric Tools. The M12 Fuel 2-piece kit includes two powerful compact tools, a 1/2-inch hammer drill and a 1/4-inch impact driver, suitable for both professional and DIY use. The hammer drill features a brushless motor for enhanced performance and durability. It is also compact, measuring just 6.6 inches, making it ideal for tight spaces. With 400 inch-pounds of torque, it efficiently handles various drilling and driving tasks. The impact driver is known for its high-speed performance, offering 3 speed settings and a self-tapping screw mode to prevent stripping. Both tools are built for durability, with an all-metal chuck and gear case. This kit is praised for its balance, build quality, and portability, making it an excellent choice for users who need reliable tools for diverse projects. Number 19. Milwaukee M12 Jig Saw. This compact, powerful tool is designed for precision cutting across various materials. Powered by a 12-volt battery system, it delivers up to 2,800 strokes per minute with a 3/4 inch stroke length, making it suitable for both fine and heavy-duty cuts. Built for durability and convenience, it features a tool-free bevel adjustment for cuts up to 45 degrees and a no-mar removable foot plate for added protection. Its hybrid grip design offers excellent control by combining the benefits of both barrel and top handles. The tool also includes a T-shank blade system for quick, tool-free blade changes and an LED light to improve visibility in low light conditions. Number 18. Makita Orbit Sander. This tool is designed for fast and smooth sanding, offering excellent performance with enhanced grip and control. It's especially useful for woodworkers and finish carpenters who need a reliable orbital sander for detailed sanding tasks. The tool features a pad control system, which ensures a controlled start with smooth pad speed acceleration, minimizing the risk of gouging the material. Equipped with a 3-amp motor, it provides continuous power for extended usage, delivering 1/8 inch random orbit action and 12,000 OPM to ensure quick and even sanding results. The sander is built with all ball bearing construction, ensuring durability and a longer tool lifespan. For added comfort, it comes with a rubberized palm grip, ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in the hand. Number 17. Bosch Router 1 horsepower. It's a compact 1 horsepower router designed for precision work, ideal for woodworking tasks that require fine detail. It features a 5.6 amp motor, offering variable speeds up to 35,000 RPM, providing versatility for various applications such as trimming edges, laminating, and small-scale routing. A standout feature is the soft start mechanism, which reduces the initial jolt during startup, improving comfort and control. Users appreciate the easy bit changes, facilitated by a spindle lock that enables tool-free operation, unlike other models that require wrenches. The router's depth adjustment system is smooth and precise, allowing both coarse and fine adjustments for accurate work. However, one minor downside is that it doesn't come with a built-in dust collection system, although accessories are available to improve dust management. Number 16. Bosch 12-inch Dual-Bevel Glide Miter Saw. This miter saw features a unique design that enables wider crosscuts and better alignment, while staying compact enough to save up to 12 inches of workspace. It offers an impressive 14-inch horizontal cut, 6.5-inch vertical cut against the fence, and 6.5-inch crown cut, making it versatile for various materials and projects. The saw includes easy-to-read bevel and miter scales, with marked detents and roof pitch angles for accurate adjustments. It provides bevel detents at 0 degrees, 33.9 degrees, and 45 degrees on both left and right sides for precision cuts. The saw also excels at dust collection, ensuring clean cuts, especially when cutting 2 by materials with a vacuum attached. Square lock quick release fences make it easy to lock the fence at a perfect 90-degree angle to the table with no adjustments needed, while the one-touch lock-unlock feature allows for smooth and easy fence movement for added support. Number 15. RYOBI ONE Plus 18 Volt Cordless Drill Driver Kit, an efficient and versatile tool that handles light to medium duty tasks, such as drilling and driving screws in wood, metal, and plastic. With a 1.5 amp hour battery, charger, and accessories included, this drill driver offers speeds of up to 600 RPM for quick and effective work. Its standout feature is compatibility with RYOBI's ONE Plus battery system, which works across over 300 tools, providing added convenience for users with multiple RYOBI products. Users appreciate its ergonomic design and lightweight build, making it comfortable for prolonged use and easy to control in tight spaces. However, it may not be the best option for tougher materials or heavy-duty tasks, as some users report it struggling under more demanding conditions. Number 14. RYOBI ONE Plus Circular Saw. This circular saw features a brushless motor, providing up to 40% faster cutting than non-brushless models, making it an excellent option for quick, smooth cuts through various materials. A major advantage is its compatibility with the RYOBI ONE Plus battery system, which works with over 300 tools, allowing users to save on battery costs if they own other RYOBI products. It can make over 325 cuts per charge, making it ideal for medium-sized projects. Users also appreciate its lightweight design, which improves maneuverability and reduces fatigue, especially in larger or tight spaces. While its cutting capacity allows for deep cuts, it is praised for its comfortable grip and effective dust collection. However, some users have noted that it may struggle with more demanding tasks. Number 13. Dewalt Cordless Planer. The Dewalt Cordless Planer is a high-performance tool designed for precision woodworking tasks. Equipped with a brushless motor, it operates smoothly with a no-load speed of up to 12,000 RPM, making material removal quick and efficient. With a 2mm depth of cut and 82mm planing width, it's ideal for tasks such as trimming doors and smoothing surfaces. The planer also features a rebate cut depth of 9mm and a fine adjustment dial in 0.1mm increments for precise cuts. Additionally, it is compatible with the airlock dust extraction system, ensuring a cleaner workspace. The tool includes onboard blade storage and a Torx key for fast blade changes, and its large front and rear shoe enhances stability for improved control. Number 12. Bosch Cordless Jig Saw. The Cordless Jig Saw is a lightweight, user-friendly tool designed for DIYers and hobbyists. It features a simple one-button operation and is capable of cutting through wood up to 70mm deep, making it suitable for tasks like laminate flooring. The tool includes a speed trigger for smooth startups and speed adjustments, along with an SDS system for easy, tool-free blade changes. Additionally, it offers precision through a dust-blowing function that keeps the cutting line clear. Its specifications include an 18-volt battery, a cutting depth of 70mm in wood, 6mm in metal, and 15mm in aluminum. The Jigsaw operates at 0 to 2,600 strokes per minute, weighs 1.3 kilograms without the battery, and has adjustable footplate angles up to 45 degrees for versatility. Number 11. Jet Woodworking Bandsaw, a dependable tool for woodworkers seeking precision and versatility. It features a 1 horsepower motor that delivers sufficient power for a wide range of woodworking projects. With a 14-inch cutting capacity and 6-inch resaw capability, it can tackle larger materials. The 15-inch by 15-inch cast iron table ensures robust material support, and the closed stand minimizes vibration, promoting smoother operation and better blade tracking. Many users highlight its ease of setup and smooth operation, with minimal assembly required. The bandsaw is praised for its versatility, performing well for both resawing and fine cutting. However, some users have mentioned that it may need additional adjustments for optimal cutting precision, and the weight of the tool can make it difficult to move around. Number 10. Skil Rechargeable 4V Cordless Screwdriver. The Skil Rechargeable 4V cordless screwdriver with circuit sensor technology is a lightweight, easy-to-use tool designed for everyday DIY and household projects. It has a 1/4 inch chuck and comes with a comprehensive 45-piece bit set, USB charging cable, and carrying case, making it adaptable for various tasks. A notable feature is the built-in circuit sensor, which can detect live wires up to 1 inch away, offering increased safety when working near electrical components. The tool also includes a soft start function for smoother operation, a variable speed trigger for precise control, and an SDS system that allows for quick, tool-free bit changes, making it an ideal choice for light to medium duty screwing tasks. Number 9. RYOBI 15 amp 10-inch corded sliding compound miter saw. The RYOBI 15 amp 10-inch sliding compound miter saw model TSS103 is well suited for DIY enthusiasts and light-duty tasks. It features a 15 amp motor, providing enough power for most home projects, and a 12-inch crosscut capacity, making it ideal for cutting large pieces of wood. The saw is appreciated for its LED cut line indicator, which enhances cutting accuracy, and the simple-to-use bevel and miter adjustments. However, some users have mentioned that it might not be as durable for heavy professional use, and the dust collection system and sliding action could be improved. Overall, it's considered a great value for the price. Number 8. Metabo HPT Brad Nailer Kit. It is a lightweight and efficient tool designed for precise trim work, furniture building, and finishing applications. It supports 18-gauge brad nails ranging from 5/8 inches to 2 inches in length, and features a selective actuation switch for easy toggling between bump fire and sequential fire modes, enhancing control and productivity. At just 2.2 pounds, its ergonomic design ensures comfortable, all-day use, while the no-mar tip protects surfaces from marks. The nailer offers toolless depth adjustment for professional finishes, a reload indicator to avoid blank drives, and an adjustable 360-degree exhaust port to keep debris and oil away from the workspace. Additionally, its easy-to-clear nose simplifies nail jam removal, ensuring uninterrupted performance. Number 7. Rockwell JawHorse. A durable and versatile clamping tool made entirely of steel, designed to handle demanding projects while leaving your hands free for precise work. It offers a clamping range of up to 37 inches, accommodating a standard 36-inch door with a clamping force of 1 ton and a maximum load capacity of 600 pounds. Its urethane no-mar pads ensure a secure grip on materials without leaving marks, making it suitable for delicate woodworking tasks. The tripod base provides stability even on uneven surfaces, outperforming traditional four-legged designs, while quick-release leg latches allow for easy folding and compact storage. Additional features include wheels for portability and a foot pedal-operated clamping mechanism, enabling hands-free operation and increased convenience for various projects. Number 6. Max Cordless Rebar Cutter. This cutter is a high-performance tool designed for cutting rebar up to 16 millimeters diameter with precision and efficiency. Powered by a robust brushless motor, it offers durability and extended battery life, enabling up to 176 cuts per charge. Its cutting mechanism operates at a swift 3.3 seconds per cut, making it ideal for repetitive tasks and high-volume construction projects. For user safety, a trigger lock switch prevents accidental operation, while its ergonomic design reduces fatigue during prolonged use. Its compact and portable build ensures easy handling, even in confined or challenging work environments. Number 5. Wen Variable Speed Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. Say goodbye to the frustration of tackling hard-to-reach corners with the Wen Variable Speed Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. This versatile tool is designed to handle sawing, sanding, scraping, and cutting tasks with ease, even in the tightest spaces. Powered by a robust 3.5 amp motor, it delivers adjustable speeds from 10,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute, giving you precise control for a wide range of projects. Equipped with a quick-release lever, changing blades and accessories is a breeze. No tools required. The kit includes essentials like a scraper blade, triangular sanding pad, sanding papers, a saw blade, and a convenient storage bag. Need more? It's compatible with most multifunction tool attachments available on the market. Number 4. Dewalt Folding Jab Saw. A compact and versatile cutting tool with an 8 TPI blade designed for precision and efficiency, featuring triple ground teeth for smoother and faster cuts. It offers dual functionality, combining a jab saw for drywall and a hacksaw for harder materials, making it adaptable to varied applications. The folding design ensures portability and safety, with the blade securely locking in open or closed positions to prevent accidental injuries. An ergonomic handle enhances user comfort for extended use, while its robust construction and easy blade switching mechanism make it a reliable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 3. Milwaukee M18, a powerful and durable tool praised for its efficiency in drilling through tough materials like concrete. It has a brushless motor, providing long-lasting performance, and delivers 1.7 foot-pounds of impact energy with up to 4,900 beats per minute, making it suitable for fast, heavy-duty tasks. The tool is lightweight, reducing fatigue during use, and has an auto-stop control feature for safety. It is also compatible with Red Lithium XC 5.0 batteries, extending its runtime, and is appreciated for its ergonomic D-handle that improves comfort and maneuverability, especially during during overhead work. Number 2. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hackzall Kit, a powerful one-handed reciprocating saw that delivers up to 50% faster cutting compared to its competitors. It's powered by a power state brushless motor, which boosts cutting speed and performance even in demanding applications. The compact design offers superior control, especially when cutting in tight spaces. A dual gear counterbalance mechanism reduces vibration by up to 4 times, ensuring smoother starts and reducing user fatigue during extended use. Thanks to RedLink Plus intelligence, the tool optimizes performance and safeguards against overload by allowing the tool, battery, and charger to communicate. This system ensures longer battery life and maximum cutting efficiency, even for the toughest tasks. Number 1. Kimo Hammer Drill, a highly functional tool that offers 3 modes: driving, drilling, and hammering, making it suitable for a variety of materials including wood, metal, and concrete. The drill is powered by two 2000 mAh batteries, which provide extended use with a fast 60-minute recharge time, ensuring minimal downtime. It boasts adjustable speeds of up to 1350 RPM and 350 in-pounds of torque, allowing for precise control over both light and heavy-duty tasks. The 3/8" automatic chuck and 21+3 clutch settings add to its versatility. Weighing just 2.41 pounds, the drill is lightweight and easy to maneuver, and it comes with features like an LED light for better visibility, an ergonomic grip for comfort, and additional accessories to boost overall efficiency. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.